Why does your body crave ice cream on hot days? The answer goes beyond just enjoying a cold treat. It's a fascinating survival trick your body uses to stay cool and energized. When it's hot outside, your body's temperature rises, and it needs to cool down quickly to maintain balance. Ice cream is cold and melts in your mouth, providing an immediate cooling effect inside your body. This sensation tricks your brain into feeling cooler, helping to reduce your internal heat and making you feel refreshed almost immediately. It's a natural response to help you survive in heat by seeking relief through cold foods. On hot days, you sweat more, losing vital water and salts that keep your body functioning properly. Ice cream contains water and small amounts of salts from milk, which can help replenish those lost electrolytes. This makes your body crave ice cream not just for the cold, but also for hydration support. Staying hydrated is crucial for your organs and muscles, especially in extreme heat, so this craving has a practical purpose. Besides cooling and hydration, your body also seeks quick energy on hot days because heat can drain your strength. Ice cream's sugar content provides a fast energy spike, while the creamy texture and sweetness stimulate dopamine release in your brain. Dopamine makes you feel pleasure and happiness, reinforcing your craving for ice cream as a rewarding way to cope with heat discomfort. So next time you crave ice cream on a hot day, remember it's your body's clever way of cooling down, staying hydrated, and boosting energy all at once. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay curious about how your body works.